Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front door handle with the Honda Smart Entry on a 2017 Honda Accord. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the interior door panel, and I have a separate video on how to do that, and I'll just link to that in the description below. So next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to tape this vapor barrier back and just make a little window till we can get our hand in there. There's a plug that we're going to need to unplug. So just peel it back and pop off this rubber plug that holds the end on, and then there is this adhesive that holds it on. So just take just a razor blade and gently pull out on it and just slice the adhesive. That's about all we need right there. Just enough to get in there and unplug this plug that's right here. And you can unplug it by, on the end here, there's a tab. Push in on the tab and then pull out on the plug. Next, come around to the side, inside the door jamb here, and there is a rubber cap. Go ahead and pop that off. And inside there you can see is a 10mm bolt that needs to come out. And once the bolt's out, you can pull out on this cap, and it just comes straight out. And then on the handle, you're going to grab a hold of it and pull it back towards the back of the car, and then rotate it out. And the wire plug comes right with it. And if this comes off, you just want to make sure before you go to reinstall it or put the new door handle in that you place that back on so it's flush, and then when you go to reinstall the door handle, you just feed the plug back through and get that front end so it's kind of loose, and then you want to get the back end and then push it forward and it clicks in, and it's actually a functioning door handle even without this cap right here in the back. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching.